Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to place a test order on Shopify with Stripe. So in order to do that, we'll need to turn on the test mode on. Of course, it has two options, whether you have a paid plan or you're still on the free trial. If you're still on the free trial or if you are on specific regions, if you go on the left panel here and click on settings at the bottom left, you'll find yourself here, go and click on payments, and you will find yourself right here. So as an example, if you already have your plans, you'll find here Shopify payments and you'll find the manage option. From there, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find test mode and you'll be able to turn it on if you entered some few details. But if you're still on free trial, as an example, you'll have this bogus getaway. Some of the regions also will have the bogus getaway even if they have the plan. How to enable that? So as example, per default, it should not be enabled. Let me just go and deactivate it to show you how it will look like for you. So the first time it will look like that, you'll have to click on choose a provider. And here you'll find 410 bogus getaway. You can go and enter that and you can activate it. And once it's activated, as an example, you can go to your online store. So go to your online store, click on view online store as example, and try to stimulate like you're going to buy products. Add it to carts and continue to the checkout. But in checkout, you'll have to enter, of course, a card. So what should you enter? So they have here Shopify dedicated page specifically for that. To stimulate a successful transaction, you can use the following information when you're at for credit card details at checkout. So the name on card, you can enter at least 2 words. And of course, you'll have to enter an expiry date. So enter any dates in the future. Security code, enter any 4 digits, as you can see, to test American Express, or enter 3 digits to test all other cards. And for the card number, you can use one of the following cards. So you'll have to see if your Stripe card is a Visa or a MasterCard or whatever. You can see whatever suits the card, and you'll have to enter those test numbers right here, as you can see. So enter one of them in the checkout, and you'll be able to place your test order in Shopify with your Stripe card. And of course, once you've done that, you can go back as an example here, and you can go to orders and check if you received any order yet. If you did, that means the order went successfully and the test was placed. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.